Hey there. Are you an independent contractor and you're trying to buy a home, but you keep getting denied because you're not showing enough income? Well, let me introduce you to the 1099 loan program. My name is Mark Skapinetz with Georgia Mortgage Connections, and the 1099 loan program is a fantastic fit for those that are self employed. Unlike traditional loan programs, we look at your 1099 income as opposed to your W 2 income. So let's take a deeper look at the 1099 loan program. The 1099 program uses only 2 years of 1099s and no tax returns are required. The loan can only be used on a primary owner occupancy. The borrower cannot have any ownership in the business from which the 1099 is received. Down payments vary on FICO scores. The minimum down payment is 10%, but requires a 700 or higher FICO score. A 680 to 699 credit score will require a 15% down payment, and a 20% down payment will be required with a FICO score as low as 600. There is no mortgage insurance. It is a 30-year fixed loan with no prepayment penalty. Next, we need to verify 24 months of employment of the same job or profession. We will require at least one business letter to validate 1099 continuous employment. We also need to verify bank statements and will ask you for your two most recent bank statements from the account where you make your deposits to that will show support for the 1099 income. Also, borrower prepared, CPA prepared, or tax professional profit and loss statements with business narrative is required. An expense factor letter is also acceptable. Now let's go over how the income will be calculated with some examples. Income calculations to determine monthly income are based on net operating income from the profit and loss statement or the expense factor letter, plus the two most recent bank statements that support the same income. Let's now take a look at two examples. Example 1. 2 years of 1099s show an income of 300,000, but the profit and loss statement shows a net operating income of 200,000 for 2 years. The lender uses $200,000 divided by 24 months to come up with $8,333.33 for your monthly income. Example 2. 2 years of 1099s show 300,000 in income. The expense factor shows a 15% expense factor as an independent contractor. The lender uses $300,000 times 85%, which equals $255,000. In net income divided by 24 months equals $10,625. Here is some additional information. This loan can be refinanced when you qualify for a traditional loan. Gift funds can be used, though the borrower must demonstrate that they have their own funds equal to 5% of the purchase price, plus the reserve requirements, which are typically 3 to 6 months. Lastly, interested party contributions are acceptable from sellers, agents, and builders up to a combined 6% of the purchase price for a primary home. So there you have it, the 1099 loan program. It's a fantastic fit for self-employed individuals looking to purchase a home. And as always, here at Georgia Mortgage Connections, we are always available to help you and answer your questions. Please give us a call or email us when you can. Thank you.